After months of delays and political drama, the UK finally dropped its £298 billion defence investment plan. Here's what it actually means for the British Army, Navy, and Air Force. So, what exactly is the UK's Defence Investment Plan? The Defence Investment Plan is the UK government's detailed roadmap to how they're actually going to spend money on the armed forces over the next 4 years and beyond. Think of it as the checkbook that turns strategy into real tanks, ships, aircraft, and weapons. It's the direct follow-up to the 2025 Strategic Defence Review. That review told us what Britain needs to do in this dangerous new world. The DIP now tells us how much it will cost and exactly what we're buying to make it happen. And the headline number? The government is injecting an extra £15 billion of new spending power over the next 4 years, on top of what was already planned. The big goal behind all of this? To transform the British military from a peacetime force into one that's truly ready for warfighting, capable of high-intensity combat alongside our allies if a major conflict breaks out. In short, this is the plan that's supposed to get the UK military match fit for the threats of the 2030s. The Royal Navy is the biggest winner in this plan. The DIP doubles down on transforming the Navy into a hybrid fleet, a mix of traditional crewed ships and advanced uncrewed vessels. We're talking swarms of uncrewed surface drones and underwater drones working alongside destroyers and frigates. These uncrewed platforms will handle dangerous missions, gather intelligence, and extend the Navy's reach across vast oceans. There's also serious investment in new amphibious ships. The plan includes fresh funding for amphibious capability, including new vessels to support the future commando force. This will let British Marines launch rapid raids and operations from the sea far more effectively, especially in the high north and Indo-Pacific. Overall, the Navy is shifting from a purely manned force to a connected maritime fighting web, where crewed ships, drones, and AI work together to dominate the seas. This is easily the most ambitious part of the entire defense investment plan. And it's not just about weapons and warships. A huge part of the DIP is deliberately designed to boost British industry and protect UK jobs. Hundreds of millions of pounds are being directed toward British companies and shipyards. From building new ships in Scotland and England to developing cutting-edge drones and electronic warfare systems here at home. The government is making it clear: defence money should stay in Britain. Every pound spent is meant to support skilled jobs in engineering, manufacturing, and high-tech sectors across the country. This is being sold as a win-win: stronger national security and a stronger British economy at the same time. Hundreds of thousands of jobs, from the Clyde shipyards to factories in the Midlands, are set to benefit from this long-term investment. But it's not all good news. There are some serious reality checks in this defence investment plan. First, the British Army will remain significantly smaller. Despite the extra money, we're still looking at a much reduced force size compared to just a decade ago. Second, the plan doesn't magically fix years of equipment delays and costly failures. The Ajax armoured vehicle programme, which has been plagued by massive delays, technical problems, and huge cost overruns, is a painful reminder that throwing money at defence doesn't always deliver results on time. Third, recruitment remains a major crisis. All three services are struggling to attract and keep enough people. You can buy shiny new equipment, but without enough trained soldiers, sailors, and aviators, it doesn't matter. And the biggest question hanging over the entire plan is this even enough? With Russia and China rapidly expanding and modernizing their forces, many critics are asking whether Britain is still falling behind in the great power arms race.